So right now we are at our target temp of 150 degrees centigrade. And we want to maintain this temperature throughout the duration of making the wax. We are starting out with a big splash of 90 milliliters, which is a little over 6 tablespoons, or 18 teaspoons over 3 ounces. So this is a 3 ounce start of saponification of this batch. You always want to start your biggest splash to start out your saponification process. So that was 3 ounces of hydrated aluminum to start out the saponification process. And when we're doing this at a temperature of 150 degrees centigrade. And again, what's different in our wax formula today that we are doing is that the sericin and stearic acid have been combined previously before saponification begins. That is the difference of this formula. And that is how I started to make my waxes when I first started making cylinder waxes. So this is a go back to the original way that I made the wax for the cylinders. And it went down to around 125 degrees centigrade, and then it'll go up to 150. Our next splash will be a 2 ounce splash. This batch will go fairly quickly, which should result in a nice light batch of the compound. We have 10 3/4 ounces of the hydrated aluminum. And this is precisely the method I used in the old days to make my original batches of wax. We're now about 100 and now we're still at 125. It pretty much stays at that temperature until all of the water is boiled off. Then it quickly goes back to 150 degrees centigrade.